Hello! In front of me I have Huawei Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smart band. So let's press the side button like this. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called vibration and tap on it. And here we have different levels of vibration we can select. We have strong, soft and none. Select the one you like and then tap on the OK to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.